Alright, let's be honest. Have you ever grabbed a pumpkin spice latte from your favorite coffee shop, took a big ol' sip, and thought, this is kinda missing something? Yup, me too. But guess what? The secret to making a pumpkin spice latte that actually tastes like fall in a cup isn't just the spices or fancy syrups. It's something Starbucks won't tell you. Real pumpkin puree. Trust me, this makes the difference. Here's what you need to do. First, grab a small saucepan and toss in 2 big spoonfuls of pumpkin puree, a scoop of brown sugar, and a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice. Let it simmer for a minute or two, just until it smells absolutely incredible, and your entire kitchen gets that autumn candle vibe. You're basically making a dreamy syrup right here. While that's bubbling away, go ahead and brew yourself a strong cup of coffee or a quick shot of espresso. Pour that gorgeous syrup you made into your mug, then add the coffee and give it a good swirl. Now for the best part, heat up your milk and get it all nice and frothy. If you don't have a fancy frother, just shake it up in a jar. Pour that fluffy milk right on top and boom, it's looking legit. Check this out, homemade PSL versus the store-bought one. I mean, look at that color. Add a little whipped cream, maybe a cinnamon stick if you're feeling fancy. This is next level. So which one would you pick? Honestly, once you taste that real pumpkin flavor, you'll never go back. For the exact measurements and full recipe, check the description box below. And if you love fun fall drinks, hit subscribe and check out my edible flower lattes next. Enjoy your cozy cup of autumn.